Hi students, this is ACP class and I am back again with the same session, that is seeking perfection. I have already started this showing you the modules on seeking perfection. Seeking perfection means how can you be perfect in your work, in whatever you are doing, how you are dealing with the people, how you are interacting with others, what work you are doing. It may be your project work, it may be your homework, whatever way, while coming by bus or while going to the home, how can you be perfect in talking with others. So this is all about there in the module. So here in this activity it is said about Mihir. Just see, meet Mihir. Mihir seeks perfection in his interactions with people. Mihir seeks perfection in his interactions with customers. So students, I am also suggesting you to, whenever you are interacting with anybody, it may be your friends, it may be your family member, it may be your relatives, it may be your neighborhood people who are living beside your house or near your house. So wherever you will go, try to interact the people very politely. Now, Mihir is saying, ma'am, you may like this better. Ma'am, I show you some newer designs. In the shop where he works, Mihir pays full attention to each customer. Mihir seeks perfection in his interactions with relatives also. Hello Mihir. At home with visiting relatives, Mihir cares to make sure his guests are comfortable. Sharma ji, I hope you rested well. Can I bring you something, some tea? Now, this is just opposite in case of Gautam. Means unlike Mihir, Gautam is disinterested and careless in his interactions with people. Now, how Gautam is interacting with the customers? Decide what you want to buy quickly. Otherwise, I'll go to some other customer. Gautam is disinterested in his customers. Gautam with visiting relatives now. Hello Gautam, his relative is saying. Now Gautam is saying, these relatives are so boring. I hope they go soon. Gautam doesn't care to be polite or attend to his guests. Now friends, according to you, who would you like as your friend, Mihir or Gautam? Obviously you want to go with Mihir, right? Means now you have to think how you are interacting. You have to think of some examples, means how you are interacting with teachers, how you are interacting with other school staff, including like watchmen, cleaners, how you are interacting with your family members, how you are interacting with your friends. Now next is meet Uma. Uma seeks perfection in her role as a mother. She takes good care of her family. She makes sure that they have healthy and tasty food on time. Their clothes and books are in good condition. They know they can turn to Uma in any trouble. She takes pride in keeping her house well. Now, like Uma, I too can seek perfection in any role I have. Now students, you think of examples of some roles you currently have. Clues are given here. Take up any one of your role as a son or as a daughter. Put down what you think are some of the things are perfect as a son or daughter. Thus, if you seek to be a perfect son or daughter, then what can you start doing today to pursue this end? Means how can you be perfect in the role whatever you are getting. As a son, if you are son, you show how can you seek perfection. How can you do the role as a perfect seeker? So these are the 4 possibilities. If you awaken, means I too can awaken my possibilities of seeking perfection by perfection in the products we make, perfection in any process or method we follow, perfection in our interactions with others, perfection in the roles we have. Now why is it important to seek perfection? 2 scenarios are there. Jitu and Puran are working on their math homework. The problems are lengthy and tough. Now Jitu, who is not seeking perfection, And another one is Puran, who is seeking perfection. Now let's see what they are thinking. Jitu, it's too tough to solve such lengthy problems. I'll just copy the homework from my friend tomorrow morning. Puran, I need to follow the stepwise approach taught to us to solve the problems. If I miss any step, I may go wrong. The first one is, what will be the effect of this thinking on? Means Jitu's thinking on his self-confidence to do maths, his self-satisfaction in solving tough problems. See. First is, though he will submit his homework, he won't learn math and will lose a chance to build his confidence to do math. And second is, he will have no satisfaction or sense of achievement. Right? In the second case, what was there? According to Puran, what will be the effect on this thinking on his self-confidence as well as self-satisfaction in solving tough problems? See, he will learn to systematically work through such tough problems with no careless mistakes. Though, through this, he will master the procedure to solve such problems. Thus, he will build the confidence to solve new problems too. Once he solves the problems, he will feel a sense of satisfaction and achievement. Right? Now go to the next situation. Scenario is, Vinny's mother has asked her to clean her room. Now what is the Vinny's response? Not seeking perfection is, this is too boring. I will just dump things in the cupboard and push them under the bed. Then the room will look clean. Usually I think students, you are doing this type of work, right? When your mother is telling you to do some work to help her. Now here, what will be the effect of this thinking on the cleanliness of the room? What her mother thinks of her? Her own satisfaction. Though the room may look clean, it won't really be clean. Her mother will be, yes, exasperated with her. Vinny will be in bad mood throughout as she feels forced to do it. She will feel no satisfaction at the end. In the next case, Vinny's response, it takes effort to clean and organize the room, but it is so much easier to find things now. Here, what will be the effect of his thinking on the cleanliness of the room? What her mother thinks of her own satisfaction. The room will really become neat and clean. Things will also be more accessible now. Her mother will be pleased with her. Vinny will have the satisfaction of a job well done. How nice it is, right? Now here, another is, Priya and Preeti are both class monitors. They are minding the class while the teacher is out. Now Priya, not seeking perfection, let my friends talk, but I will be very strict with all the other students. Usually the monitor of your class is doing the same. He or she is not telling anything to his or her friends, best friends. He is telling others, he is complaining against others, right? So what will be the effect of this thinking on the respect students will have for Priya? Her ability to be a good leader. Students will resent Priya's partial treatment and will disrespect her as a monitor. She will lose the opportunity to learn to be a good leader. In the another case, in seeking perfection case, I want to be fair and responsible monitor. What will be the effect of this thinking on the respect students will have for Preeti? Her ability to be a good leader. Students will respect Preeti and trust her to do the right thing as monitor for the class. She will build her confidence and ability to be a good leader. Now here students, meet some individuals who are seeking perfection. Now seeking perfection in the products he made. This is Steve Jobs, technology visionary whose team made devices like iPad, iPhone. Jobs even cared about the look of the parts. You could not see those parts which were hidden inside the devices. Says Steve Jobs, biographer, Walter Isaacson. Right, students? Today's class is up to here. Thank you so much.